Hi. In this lesson, you'll be looking at the NAEYC professional standards and goals. And remember that this assignment is really important because it's going to help you throughout. And specifically in lesson 4, you're going to come back to one of your goals that you have written to complete lesson 4's assignment. So I want to make sure you have a clear understanding of what you are doing. So you want to set a professional goal, but I don't want it just to be any goal. It needs to be aligned with NAEYC professional standards. When you set a goal, I want you to think about your own profession, but also we do have standards and we do follow as a profession certain expectations. So again, make sure you're viewing yourself as a professional. So what you will be doing is you will be looking at these standards. So open the example. So down here, you'll see this article. I'd like you to read the whole thing. When it says follow on the template, you'll see an NAEYC standard, focus on key element, and then your own specific goal. So as you read through, it'll explain what these standards are and why they're important, also how they were created. You'll see the 6 standards when you come down all the way down here. So standard 1, and it'll go through standard 2, standard 3. So that is where you're going to pick a standard. Focus on the key element. So what is the key element in that standard? And then write your own professional goal. So think about how you would want to take that standard and you would want to grow from it. So you'll be choosing and filling out this form. And again, you'll be using this article, which is here. And you also want to make sure that you are reviewing this other article, Take Charge of Your Personal and Professional Development. So before you start, you want to read both articles and have a clear understanding that you will be creating your own goal from the professional standards. After you do this, you will use the template and you will fill that out. This goes into complete detail, so make sure you're looking at all the steps and also make sure to come down here and grade yourself. This is the rubric that I'll grade you. So table and goals is worth 20 points. Applied questions. The student responds to each of the applied questions listed under the table. So let's look. There's the table, and then there's the applied questions. So make sure you're answering those in detail. And then professional writing. Make sure you're using APA formatting, which if you'll see, this is already formatted for you, so make sure to use the template. Make sure you're proofreading and you're using 12-point font, double-spaced, 1 to 2 pages. Make sure that when you're answering something and you take it straight from an article, that you use citations. That's really important. So remember, you will be coming back to this assignment for lesson 4. So if you have any questions, please reach out. I look forward to seeing all your goals.